In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from your Phantom wallet on mobile. So whether you're sending funds to an exchange or another wallet, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So first, make sure you launch the Phantom wallet app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged in and have the crypto available for withdrawal. Now, on the home screen, tap the send button and locate your crypto balance in here. So as you can see, I don't have yet a balance in here. So assumingly we have. So for example, Bitcoin. So tap on the token you want to withdraw and then enter your username or address that you want to transfer in. So for example, something like that. So as you can see, it's invalid. Just to give you all an example. So assumingly this email is existing here in Phantom. So you will be able to see there the send button to initiate the withdrawal, and then you will need to copy and paste the wallet address or exchange deposit address where you want to send your funds, and make sure you double check that the address is correct to avoid losing your crypto, and then enter the amount of crypto you want to send and ensure you have enough SOL or Bitcoin to cover transaction fees if sending a Solana based tokens. And after that, review the transaction details including the amount and destination address, and then tap confirm and then approve the transaction using your wallet authentication method and wait for the transaction to complete. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw from Phantom wallet safely and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.